Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss living world in space. Living world in space mean biosphere, that is a thin layer of earth where life possible. This thin layer of earth is actually divided into large communities. These large communities are called biomes. What are biomes? Biomes are large regional communities that determine on the basis of climate. For example, temperate conifer forest biomes. Next one is the grassland biomes. Conifer and alpine forest biomes. Basically, each biome is determined on the basis of climate and their dominant plants. So, their name is due to their dominant plants and their climate. Temperate conifer forest biomes are actually biomes that contain conifer forest and also their climate is temperate. Next one is the phylatic lineage. Phylatic lineage is evolutionary history actually phylatic lineage is unbroken series of species that were arranged from ancestor to descendants. In this series, each species evolved from the pre-existing species. This evolutionary history is called phylatic lineage. This phylatic lineage is organized on the basis of fossil record. Today, we have not phylatic lineage of all the organisms because fossil record of soft body animals is not available. But in most of cases, this can be extended toward their common ancestors. This evolutionary history is called phylatic lineage. Next one is the biodiversity. Bio mean life, diversity mean variety. Actually, biodiversity is the variety of life on earth. So far, near about 2.5 millions species have been discovered. Out of these 2.5 millions, 2 millions are animals and 0.5 million are plants. This is not exact number of species, but it is expected near about on the earth 5 to 30 millions species of organisms may be present. But out of 5 to 30 millions, only 2.5 million species have been identified so far. In 2.5 million species, insects that are the more than 50% of all the discovered species are 53.1%. Second are other animals other than insects are 19.9%. Vascular plants are 17.6%. Prokaryotes, protists, and other microorganisms are 9.4%. This variety of species that present on the earth is in the form of biodiversity. This biodiversity can be arranged according to their ancestry history. Their ancestry history is in the term of phylatic lineage. Phylatic lineage is an broken series of species in which species are arranged from ancestor to descendant, and each species evolved from the species that were present before it. All these life on the earth are actually studied in a thin layer in a space that is called biosphere, and each biosphere is divided into large communities. These large communities are known as biomes, and these biomes can be organized on the basis of prominent plants and their climate. Thank you very much.